Hello, hello, hello. This is Costas, and to this short video, uh, it's even about shorts AI, so it's gonna be short for sure. I'm gonna show you how you can use this amazing tool and create short videos, and not only this, okay? Because to the other videos that I created, I showed you how easy is to create with a prompt a small, let's see, a storyline. You see here the paper plane. I have this storyline, and it's based to the doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. You see, Lena was a quiet girl with a dream. She wanted to be an inventor, and I can get this one. I showed you that I can create a short very easily, just copying uh, this script, and the only thing that I created, it was asking just to create a storyline, okay, to ChatGPT. I use this one, but at the same time I can leverage the tools that Source AI gives you to create this kind of videos. I'm gonna remind you how I create these videos with AI story videos. It's the fastest way to create short videos, as you can see over here. I move over here. I just paste the script. Okay, I'm gonna just remove the moral from there, and I need a video starting hook and a video ending CTA over there. Uh, that's gonna be easy because I have already asked over here for ChatGPT to create it, and I can select this one. What if the only thing stopping your dreams is doubt? Okay, I'm gonna grab this one and drop it over here, and the other one, it's this one. If this story sparked something in you, give it a like. Okay, subscribe for more motivational stories and that move you forward 1 minute at a time. I can just click over here this one and add it as a CTA. So that was all. You see, AI created everything. I can even use the AI script so that it's gonna create um, uh, a video for me, and I'm gonna just serve it to my social media. Let's see this tool in action so that you can understand how amazing it is. I'm gonna select here um, the dark style, okay, and click next. That's the style that I'm asking for my videos. Here I can just select over here one of those amazing subtitles, captions maybe, and just move on. And the last option that I have is to select the voice. Okay, here I can select old, I can select a male, and I can select the English. Um, Let me show you how amazing those voices. Uh, Let me show you how amazing they
Melody
are.
Harbor. Reflections of the
You see,
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village.
it sounds
Let
great.
me tell you what.
If you really think you're alone at night.
Want people to pay attention?
It's amazing.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village.
It's amazing. That looks really really great. You see that it's so nice and so kind the voice, and so you know, it brings you closer to the story. Okay, so let's just click generate video, and you're gonna see that uh, that at that fast I can create a captivating and really great video that it can boost your YouTube channel. Okay, let's just see the result of uh, this prompt that I gave before, so that you can understand that it does really magic. As you can see, while it's rendering and creating my story and connecting this amazing sound and everything, I can even create a new post, or I can create a new video. Um, I don't have to
What
wait. Let me show
if
you.
the only
Let me show you what
thing
it
stopping
created.
your dream is doubt? Lena was a quiet girl with a dream. She wanted.
You see, it sounds really interesting and it's really great. I'm gonna show you that I can create a post right away. If I click create a post,
What
it's
if the
gonna
only thing stopping your
bring
dream
me over
is
here.
doubt?
Let me stop it for a moment. I can create a post, and you see, I can just send it straight to my Instagram, my TikTok, and YouTube. I can even add more channels if I want, and I can. You see, it's writing everything. It adds even the hashtags, and you can just add your link over here and save it. You can even schedule when it's gonna send this one to your social media. I'm gonna just add my link about this amazing tool. Give me a moment. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna just add my link over here that it's created with Sort AI so that anyone can try it, because you can even try it for free.
What if
I'm
the
gonna
only thing stopping your dream?
add again another link over here to Instagram.
What
I
if the
believe
only
that
thing stopping your
it's not gonna leave not gonna let us publish links to the Instagram, but it's okay. I can just try, and you can see here that it has YouTube contains synthetic media examples. I don't have something like that. It's gonna be public. You can
dream
see
is doubt? Lena was a quiet.
that it sounds amazing, and I'm gonna just schedule it for let's say for Wednesday at about 10 o'clock in the morning and 10:42. Okay, done. And I'm gonna just click schedule post. That was
What if the only thing stopping your
so
dream is
easy. Okay, the post is posted. So I got everything under control and it's ready. Thank you very much for watching this video. It was again about Sort AI to showcase how we can create these short videos in seconds. And to the next videos, I'm gonna showcase the new options that already added to this platform. And we can see that we have the auto clip. It's gonna break a long clip to shorter one and make them captivating. We have the caption generator that we can generate captions for any kind of video. We can upload our video over here, even the one that I'm creating at the moment, and create the captions. I have the AI script that it's gonna create great scripts about anything you want, any subject, and for superheroes, for cats, for anything that you want. And we got this one, the superhero that trust me, I didn't try all of those, but we're gonna test it and try it together. We can mix the superheroes and create a short story. Okay, I believe that it's gonna be a great experience, and we can do that to the next videos. Thank you very much for watching one of my videos, and stay tuned for this great adventure. And we're gonna see how many other things we can do with Sort AI. But believe me, I got so many other tools that I want to show you, and you're gonna love them. Stay tuned and see what fits to your needs, and what really you enjoy and you want to use. Remember that you can click to the link to my to the description and to the comments and find out more about Sort AI. There are many of those tools that you can try totally free, And if you finally want to use all the extra features, you can just start a subscription, but some of them they have just one-time payment, okay, and use it forever. Thank you very much for watching one of my videos, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye bye.